right, so this is a video on how to use your Pioneer mini split remote. And here's my Pioneer up here. And if I want to raise the temperature, I just click this. And I look here, it changes there. If I want to bring it down, I click this. And I look there and it changes there. If you want to go on and off, you click here and it will turn it off. As you can see, it's off. Turn it back on, you click there. And there she comes back on, right? Also, if you look, there's mode. And the mode is right there. Dry, heat, fan, auto, and cool. So I just leave it on cool. So you'd hit that to change the mode. Watch. Dry, heat, fan, auto, cool. And that's really all the things you really need to know. I mean, you can't put it on auto and it will just, you know, if it gets to 77 degrees or higher, it'll kick in the AC. If it goes lower, it kicks in the heat. I just want to keep it on cool. So that's your Pioneer mini split. That's how you do it. You can put a timer on. You can do the silence, fan, sleep. You can do, you know, self-cleaning. It's got a bunch of different controls that you can use, and you just got to play around with them a little bit, and it'll show you how to do it. It's pretty simple, and they also comes with a set of directions. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.